Okay, this problem here is asking me to factor the following equation or following function into an equivalent expression. So let's see, I'm already in standard form. I don't have anything that I can factor out. So here I am, I have my ACB method. So I need to find two factors that when they multiply together give me a negative 56. But when I add them together, they give me a negative 1. Look at my C value. What is the coefficient right there in front of that n? Well, it's a 1, and that is how I found my B value of negative 1. Okay, looking at my factors of negative 56, I should have my 8 and my 7. Okay, and then my 8 is going to be negative, my 7 positive. Because if I multiply those together, negative 8 times 7, I have a negative 56. But if I add them together, negative 8 plus 7, it gives me a negative 1. From here, I'm going to factor using box method. So I have my n squared, negative 56. And then I'm going to fill my diagonal boxes with these two factors here. Okay, so I'll put my negative 8n here, and then my positive 7n here. And I don't know what's happening to this 8 right here. Okay, so we just had that quick fix and we're back. So now I'm just going to start factoring out my columns and then my rows. So looking at this first column here, it looks like they just have an n in common. Okay, my next column, I can factor out a negative 8. And then looking at my rows, well, once again, has an n in common. But here I have a 7. Okay. So if I pull these out of the box, I have n minus 8, n plus 7, and those are my two factors.